Hi students, how are you all? Here I am Avni and I'm going to take class of geography this time, and I hope you're going to like this video, this learn studio. We have off the comment because this comment is actually leads to the distraction. So what you can do is that if there is any query, we are going to make question list, and I hope there are going to be the questions that are there in your mind, and more than that we are going to try best and best to take a class in which we are going to solve all the queries of yours. So India's sites and location, this is geography chapter number 1, class 9th, and here you can see I have pasted a map at the top of the slide. So this map here shows the position of India, it shows the neighboring countries of India, it shows the states of India, it shows the two island groups of India, it shows the two seas adjacent or near India, and it shows the ocean which is near India, that is the Indian Ocean. Clear? Now how you have to study this time geography in class 9. Class 9 geography is completely based on the map studies. So you have to focus on the map studies, and this would be very helpful for you. Okay? Now, India's location. We are dealing with India's location. So what India's location means where India is located. For this we have to look at the map, and I'm going to just put all the points there on the map, and then I'm going to come back to this slide number 2 and I'm going to explain you. Here you can see 3 maps I have again copied down. Now here you can see the first map which is showing this map is showing India, and it's showing its neighboring countries. It's similar to the map that I have pasted on the first slide. Second map shows you the latitudinal extent of India and the longitudinal extent of India. And the first map shows you India's location on the world map. So here India is located. It is the southward extension of the Asian continent. You have equator. This equator is 0 degree latitude. Now many of you are going to ask me this, that what is latitude and what is longitude. So for that you can go back and just see the previous videos of class 6th or 7th. That would be helpful, because we forget about these terms, because in class 8 there was a huge gap in which we didn't read about the maps. The class 8 was actually based on the theoretical study more and more, so map study was very less in class 8. But in class 6th our studies were completely based on the map. So again we are in class 9, and we have to go back to look at first of all the maps of India, and I'm just in short telling you what latitudes and longitudes are. So these are the latitudes which are horizontal, so they are the horizontal imaginary lines, and these are the longitudes which are vertical imaginary lines. These latitudes are parallel to each other, and they are never going to meet, but these longitudes are not parallel, they meet at the poles. Like when I'm talking about these longitudes, they are meeting at the poles, whereas these latitudes are never meeting at the pole, at any place or at any position. So this latitude, 0 degree latitude, it divides a country into two equal parts, and that is why, as the name suggests, this is equator, means dividing, or it equals the earth into two equal parts, and this is the equator where the direct sun rays comes. Above the equator is another latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer, and below the equator there is another latitude, that is Tropic of Capricorn. Now this is equator. Above it is the Tropic of Cancer. Its value is 23 degree 30 minute north, because equator divides the country into north and south. So above equator is 23 degree 30 minute north latitude, that is Tropic of Cancer. There are many latitudes, but we have only three latitudes which have their naming. Then I'm going to tell you why only these three latitudes have their meaning in the next video. In this video I'm just going to cover the chapter, no, nothing more than that, and some queries can be there also, so I'm going to discuss those queries and questions with you all. So this is the equator. Above equator is Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degree 30 minute north, and below the equator is Tropic of Capricorn, which is again just like Tropic of Cancer, only it again divides it, its value is 23 degree 30 minute south. So Tropic of Cancer की वैल्यू, ये इक्वेटर की वैल्यू 0 डिग्री थी, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर की वैल्यू 23 डिग्री 30 मिनट नॉर्थ थी, ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉर्न की वैल्यू 23 डिग्री 30 मिनट साउथ थी. सो ओनली द डिफरेंस इज हेयर ऑफ द हेमिस्फेयर, वो नॉर्थ है ये साउथ है, not nothing else is a difference. And this Tropic of Cancer is again passing from India also, and there are eight states from where this Tropic of Cancer is passing, and these states, these 8 states, they, not sometimes but many times, at the particular time of the afternoon, they experience the sun above the head. So sun is just above the head, because this is very near to equator. Tropic of Cancer is very near to the equator, and that is why this is having a special name as well, and that is why the states where the Tropic of Cancer is passing from experience the sun at the top of their head, means just above the head. So many of you might have observed this, that during the afternoon time, like 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, then you have this 3 o'clock, 1 o'clock, the sun is just above the head, especially especially at 12 o'clock, because 12 o'clock is the initial time of the afternoon. So that is why the afternoon is just above the head, like the sun is above the head. So that is why at the afternoon we have the sun above our head. Now this is Tropic of Cancer, equator, Tropic of Capricorn, these are done. Now I'm talking about I'm talking about 0 degree longitude. So what are these longitudes? I told you these are the vertical imaginary bars, and these bars, they meet at the poles, at the north and the south poles. So now these bars, these imaginary bars, or these longitudes, these longitudes are many and many, but the main longitude is 0 degree longitude. This is known as the prime meridian longitude, and it divides again the country into two hemispheres. One is eastern hemisphere, the other one is the western hemisphere, and India lies according to the 0 degree longitude in the eastern hemisphere, and according to the 0 degree latitude it lies in the northern hemisphere. So India is in northeastern hemisphere. Fine. Now, when I'm talking about India's latitudinal extent, means means the latitude which is passing from the northmost tip of India, and the latitude which is passing from the southmost tip of India. So at the most north tip we have Kashmir, and at the south tip of India we have Kanyakumari, and these are the north and the south tip respectively. So at the north tip of India, means the Kashmir, there is a latitude known as, which its value is 37 degree 6 minute north latitude, which is passing from Kashmir, and then we have another latitude which is a southmost latitude of India, and it's passing from the Kanyakumari, and its value is 8 degree 4 minute north. Now guys, again you must have a question. So that question is that when I'm talking about the northmost tip of India, fine, that is going to be with the direction of the north. But when I'm talking about 8 degree 4 minute north, I think I shall speak about 8 degree 4 minute south. I shall remove north and I shall install south. But that is going to be wrong. If you did this, if you put south in place of north, then it is going to be a big zero. This is going to be north only, it is not going to be south. If it becomes south, means I am talking about our country India in the south of the equator. Our country is above the equator in the northern hemisphere. That's why all the latitudes above the equator are going to be with this northern value. Fine, done. Now, these are the latitudinal extents of India. Now let's talk about the longitudinal extents of India. So one longitude is here at the easternmost tip of India, that is Arunachal Pradesh, and at the westernmost tip of India, and that is Gujarat. So here we have Gujarat, here we have Arunachal Pradesh. So at the Gujarat, the latitude which is passing from Gujarat is 68 degrees 7 minute east, and at Arunachal Pradesh, the longitude is 97 degree 25 minute east. Fine. Now let's come back to the slide that we were discussing. So, okay. So this was the slide we were upon. Now India lies in the northern hemisphere. So just I told you India is in the northern hemisphere according to the 0 degree latitude. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. This is 6 minute north only. Okay, wait. This value is wrong. This is 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, only I have put it, I have just placed 8 over here, that is 6. I am from a long time speaking about 6 only. Okay, 37 degree 6 minute north, so there should be no confusion. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. The longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 minute east to 29 to 97 degree 25 minute east. Now when I'm talking about the westernmost tip and the easternmost tip, why I'm at the both side using east, I shall use westernmost. For the westernmost tip I shall use the 8, I shall use 68 degree 7 minute west, but I'm using 68 degree 7 minute east because India is according to the 0 degree longitude entirely in the eastern hemisphere. Fine. So that is why all our longitudes after the 0 degree longitude which are lying in the eastern hemisphere are going to be with the eastern value. Tropic of Cancer divides a country into almost two equal parts. Now, Tropic of Cancer's value is 23 degree 30 minute east. It divides a country into almost two equal parts. And what are those states from which it is passing? Let me tell you that. Let me write down them here first. First, you have just write them in your copy. Gujarat. Second, you have Madhya Pradesh. Don't take this as your second one. Second वाला नहीं होगा ये. This is not going to be the second ones. The second one is going to be Rajasthan. After Gujarat is Rajasthan. Please keep them in a series. Okay, don't do this thing कि गुजरात पहले नहीं लिख के त्रिपुरा पहले लिख दिया, because we are moving from west to east. So you don't do mistake. Just start from west, go in a series, in a sequence. After Gujarat is Rajasthan, then MP, then at the fourth you have Chhattisgarh, fifth Jharkhand. Sixth, West Bengal. Seventh, Tripura. I'm writing them in a short form, just to keep this thing as Tripura. This is West Bengal, this is Jharkhand, and the last is Mizoram. Okay, MZ, Mizoram. Complete. So these are the 8 states which through which Tropic of Cancer is passing. And let me show you this on the map also. This map I would refer you. So here is this Tropic of Cancer, and this Tropic of Cancer is passing from Gujarat. A small portion is with Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh तो हो गया था, West Bengal, then Tripura, and then Mizoram. Complete. Okay. Now, island groups of India. So this is like India looks. Okay, this is how India looks. So this is the southwest and the southeast portions. Now at the southeast you have Bay of Bengal, and at the southwest you have Arabian Sea. In the southwest, the island group which is lying there is Lakshadweep Island, and in the Bay of Bengal means at the southeast you have the Andaman and Nicobar Island. So island groups of India, southwest latitude, southwest we have Lakshadweep Island, and in the southeast we have the Andaman Nicobar Island, and the seas near India are southwest. At the southwest Arabian Sea, in the southeast you have India का size. So now India का size, total size of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. India size is 3.28 million square kilometer. Remember this thing. And how much area of how much percentage of land it is occupying of the world's geography. So this is the world. This portion of the land is occupied by India. So this is the total earth. This part of the earth is taken up by India. This part. Done. Now, and this part is 2.4%. So India is accountable for the 2.4% of the world's total geographical area. Now, India's land boundaries area is 15,200 kilometers. It means that the land which India is sharing with, the boundary which India is sharing with the land, that is the land boundary, and that is 15,200 kilometer. And then the coastline boundary is 7,516.6 kilometer. I would like to tell you this thing on this map. Just look this map. So this is the land boundary of India which it is sharing with the boundary which it is sharing with the land, and the coastline boundary is this one which it is sharing with the water bodies. Now this coastline boundary includes Andaman and Nicobar Island also, because these are also again the part of India and they are governed by the central government. That's why they are the 2 union territories. So this portion is its coastline portion. This is the portion where India is sharing its boundary with the land. So the land boundary of India is 15,200 kilometers, and the coastline boundary including Andaman Nicobar Island is 7,516.6 kilometers. Fine. Now let's move on ahead. I think you all are enjoying the classes or not. If you are not enjoying the classes, just be fresh to watch the classes. You're going to really enjoy the classes because these are the educational videos we are going to provide you. Fine. Don't miss any class. YouTube में तो देख लिया करिए because that would be helpful for you. Now इंडिया की लैंड बाउंड्री हो गई, कोस्ट लाइन बाउंड्री हो गई. India's the seventh largest country in the world. Now there are seven largest countries and India is the seventh one. So seven largest countries हैं, आपको बुक स्लाइड में दे रखी है, and India is the seventh one. India से पहले 6 countries और आती हैं. Let's look upon this. See here. You have first Russia, then second is Canada, third is USA, fourth is China, fifth is Brazil, sixth is Australia, seventh is India. तो सबसे पहले रशिया, उसके बाद कनाडा, उसके बाद यूएसए, उसके बाद चाइना, उसके बाद ब्राज़ील, उसके बाद ऑस्ट्रेलिया एंड इंडिया. एंड नाउ आई हैव one question for you, one homework for you. What you have to do in the comment box, that is already off, but just keep this thing in mind. Let it be a homework. What you have to do, have to make your own trick or mnemonics you have to use to learn these seven countries. So one is Russia, second is Canada, third is USA, fourth is China, Brazil, Australia, India. So I can speak them out in a very fluent manner, very very quickly, because I have remembered them, I have learned them with the help of the mnemonics, and you have to do this thing only. Just choose them with the help of mnemonics. Let me now close my eyes and and let me speak all these seven countries in tips. Okay, I have closed my eyes. Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. Complete. So Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, Australia and India. No, 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 no. Blockage is here. I frequently speak them all. This I want to see in you all also, that you can speak them all in a frequent manner. And I'm not going to tell you that trick because that is something which is my trick. You have to make your own trick, that this thing should develop in yourself. And if this thing develops, then you're going to never face any problem. Now in the latitude, okay, now let's again come back to the map. I would like you to show the maps. Here you can see this map. Now do one thing, just subtract this from this, means subtract this uppermost tip from the lowermost tip and subtract this tip, western and the eastern tip. What you're going to get, the difference is 29 degree. Latitudinal difference and longitudinal difference is same. 37 minus 8 कर दीजिएगा and 97 minus 25 कीजिएगा. 97 minus 68 करना. You're going to get 29 degree, that is approximately 30 degree. So what I can say is that the latitudinal difference and longitudinal difference of India is same. Now this difference between these longitudes, they makes different timings in the two different states of Arunachal and Gujarat. तो अरुणाचल प्रदेश एंड गुजरात में 2 आवर्स का टाइम लेंगे. यू नो वाई? बिकॉज 1 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड के बीच में डिफरेंस होता है 4 मिनट का. हेयर द डिफरेंस इज ऑफ 30 डिग्रीज. तो जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई 30 into 4, you are going to get 120 minutes, which are approximately 2 hours. So गुजरात एंड अरुणाचल में 2 घंटे का टाइम लग गया है. एंड यू नो इस टाइम लैग को ख़त्म करने के लिए मीन्स कि पूरी कंट्री में एक जैसा टाइम चले, वी हैव अ लॉन्गिट्यूड विच इज़ पासिंग फ्रॉम द मिडिल ऑफ द इंडिया, दैट इज़ फ्रॉम मिर्ज़ापुर. मिर्ज़ापुर इज़ अ सिटी इन उत्तर प्रदेश, एंड दिस value of the longitude is 82 degree 30 minute east, which divides which is taken as the IST, means Indian Standard Time, and this time is the time which is there in Mirzapur is followed in whole country. So I think this is only here, I think so. Let me see. The latitudinal difference and the longitudinal distance of India is same, that is 30 degree, and that's why there is a 2 hour difference between Arunachal Pradesh and Gujarat, because 1 degree longitude has 1 degree. The difference between the 1 degree longitude is of 4 minutes. The difference of 30 degree longitude is going to have 13 to 40 in 13 to 4, that is 120 minutes, that is approximately 2 hours. 2 hours का time difference है, you can see. जब अरुणाचल प्रदेश में 6 बज रहे होते हैं, 4 o'clock बज रहे होते हैं गुजरात में. फाइन. इंडिया एंड द वर्ल्ड, दिस इज कम्प्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन थ्योरी. जल्दी से कर लेते हैं. नाउ इंडिया इज़ अ साउथवर्ड एक्सटेंशन ऑफ द एशियन कॉन्टिनेंट. एशिया के साउथ में एंड सेंटर में. इसको मैं आपसे दिखा देती हूँ. हेयर यू कैन सी कि ये है इंडिया, ये आपका एशिया है. इंडिया इधर है, एशिया इधर है, जैसे कि सो इंडिया इज़ जस्ट द सेंटर ऑफ द एशिया, है ना. It's centrally located, and Indian Ocean route connects the countries of Europe from the west and East Asia. तो ईस्ट एशिया वेस्ट से इंडिया बहुत अच्छे से कनेक्टेड है इंडियन ओशन रूट के थ्रू. डेक्कन पेनिनसुला विच इज़ प्रोट्रूटिंग इन द इंडियन ओशन, this Deccan Peninsula helps in the trade with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the west, and Southeast and Asia from the east. तो वेस्ट एशिया के साथ ट्रेड करता है, ईस्ट एशिया के साथ ट्रेड करता है बहुत आराम से. एंड द नेमिंग ऑफ द इंडियन ओशन बेस्ड ऑन द इंडिया इज़ बिकॉज द साउथ ऑफ द इंडिया इज़ हाईली प्रोट्रूटिंग इन द इंडियन ओशन. जो इंडिया का डेक्कन पेनिनसुला है, वो जो कोस्ट लाइन है डेक्कन पेनिनसुला की, वो सबसे ज़्यादा प्रोट्रूट हो रही है इंडियन ओशन में. दैट इज़ वाई देयर इज़ द नेमिंग ऑफ द ओशन आफ्टर इंडिया. नाउ लैंड रूट कंट्रीब्यूट्स द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द आइलैंड. Okay, so now land route contribute in the exchange of the ideas, exchange of Upanishad, Ramayana, spices, muslin, etc. from India to other countries. So India से बहुत सी चीज़ें ली गई हैं एंड इंडिया को बहुत सी चीज़ें दी गई हैं, एंड ये सब चीज़ें लैंड रूट के थ्रू आई थी एंड गई थी, बिकॉज जो वाटर रूट है दिस इज़ क्वाइट न्यू. ठीक है, ये 200-300 साल पहले होगा, बट बिफोर दैट नहीं था. सो इट ऑल्सो ब्रिंग्स ग्रीक स्कल्पचर्स, स्टोन्स, मिनरेट्स फ्रॉम वेस्ट एशिया टू इंडिया. वेस्ट एशिया से इंडिया में ये सब कुछ आया. नाउ वी हैव इंडियन ओशन, सॉरी इंडियाज़ नेबरिंग कंट्रीज. सो वी हैव नॉर्थ वेस्ट पे पाकिस्तान, अफगानिस्तान, नॉर्थ में चाइना, नेपाल, भूटान, ईस्ट में बांग्लादेश और म्यांमार, साउथ में Sri Lanka and Maldives. So this is the map where you can see all these neighboring countries and all. Now this brings me to the end of this lesson. Till then, take care and bye bye. I'm going to come with new lesson again.